Guys, it's me again, back with another video. This time I'm going to do a slime video. So I have some slime here and in the package. So let's get started. I don't know why I did that. So the first one is this blue slime. I really like it because it's kind of sticky, but at the same time it isn't too sticky. Look at my eyes. Look at my eyes. Oh, you gonna kiss a robot? It doesn't really make a sound. Ooh, it's kind of buttery. See? See, it's kind of sticky, but at the same time, it isn't too sticky. Because I can still play with it. Because I have a whole bunch of other slimes. I'll show you my slime collection after I'm done playing with these slimes. Next, we're going to go to the orange one. I like this one because it has a smooth texture. And it can stretch very long. And stretches nicely. And then we're gonna go to the other orange one. I really like this one because it is like very, it has like a super nice texture. It's very stretchy and it pops and doesn't make sound. Not really, but I like this slime a lot, and it has like a little bit of a jelly consistency, but I can still feel it and it feels super nice. Now we're gonna go to the pink one. Now I love this one because it's like stretchy, it feels smooth, and it pops. It doesn't really make noise because whenever you try to like do the little finger thing, it's like makes like a jelly noise. But look, oh, this one is like the best. Now for the last one, this booger green one. This one is basically a jelly slime because it doesn't really stretch much. See, it barely stretches. It's like a, it's like a greenish, brownish color. It kind of looks like boogers and stuff. So, I mean, it's a nice slime, but it isn't that great of a slime. So, yeah. Bye, guys.